The Allen & Roth two-tiered umbrella was sold at Lowe's. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your umbrella, please refer to the manufacturer model number YJAF-819A. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the umbrella is 11 foot and is two-tiered. A key identifier for this umbrella is base of umbrella has a fabric cover and not a hard shell cover. Important product note: there may have been two different versions of this umbrella sold at Lowe's with the same model number YJAF-819A. One version is a 10-foot, the other version is 11-foot. Please reference the assembly instructions manual to determine which size umbrella you have. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit this umbrella. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.